Hey, hope everyone's doing great today. Today we're taking a look at the Omega Seamaster diver, and you can tell by this large box that um, we're in for something special. Omega's done a great job with the presentation of this box here. Take a look at that wood and the button there with the logo on it, the Omega logo. Real sharp looking. I just love the color. It's warm with the wood, and the way they put the little instruction booklet on the side. Omega knocks it out here with the presentation of this Seamaster diver's watch. And let's start opening this guy up. There we go. And there you have it, the Seamaster diver. So let's talk about this watch a little. The Seamasters came out basically, it started in 1993. And a big following. Everybody loves the Seamaster, so it was kind of drastic for them to change the look of it, and they really went bold, and I really like the way this watch looks. It makes it contemporary, it's fun, it looks great, it makes Omega stand out. So because of the 25th anniversary, Omega redesigned this watch, and it still feels like an Omega. That's one of the things I want to stress about this watch and what I really like about it. It's not like they totally went off the wall, designed something totally different, and it doesn't have the feeling of an Omega watch. It's still got it here, but it's contemporary, it's modern, it feels different, and it makes it a lot more contemporary than it used to be. So let's talk about the face of this watch a little bit. They moved the date down to the bottom to the 6 o'clock. This gives it a nice symmetrical feel, and it opens up the wave pattern a little more. You can see the waves on the back of the dial there. Those waves are laser engraved now, and they wanted to make sure they put the waves in as tribute to the Seamaster. The bezel features blue and white ceramic, and the hands are skeleton hands, and the luminova, it's a super luminova, and in the top corner at the 10 o'clock position you have a specially designed helium escape valve. Now the crystal is a domed scratch resistant sapphire crystal, and of course it's got anti-reflective treatment on both sides. The dial color, this watch comes in a variety of different colors. This one here, the face is gray, along with the blue strap. This is a great watch overall. This one here, we've got it with the blue strap. The one thing that I'm not crazy about is the blue strap. In fact, I love the color, I love the idea of it. I just don't like the thickness of it. It feels a little thin, and it makes it feel a little cheaper. You know, you don't expect that. You'd want it a little bit thicker for something, you know, a little more of a quality brand like Omega. So here you can see the wrist shot, and the watch is a great size. You see it's not too big, it's not going to clunk into things, you know, when you're busy doing stuff, especially diving, you don't want to hit in your tanks and scratching it all up. So it's a good size. I mean, there's a lot of oversized dive watches, but it's nice to have one that's not too big, and on the other hand, it's good that it's not too small as well. The lug size for this watch between the lugs is 20 millimeters, so if you're going to get a different strap to go with this guy, 20 millimeters is the magic number. The movement in this watch is caliber 8800, and that caliber has a power reserve of about 55 hours. And here we can see it in the dark. Some great lume, what you always need with a dive watch. All in all, it's a great addition to the Omega lineup. Thanks.